Yesterday during the San Diego mini meetup that we had, I received my acrylic case that I ordered from Jollymon. I'll have a link to his website in the description, and I'll probably show some of the color samples for you guys so you can see that. Here's the design. It's a very high profile 60% case. That's exactly what I asked for. It's got feet and everything. I'm tempted to get a PCB that has some underglow, or swap in my Alp 64 with Orange Alps and do the modification where I can add a light strip. So this is a great case. The quality is really nice. It's light, but it's acrylic. Can't really change that. So I put the vintage MX Black 62 gram, a G60 Satan with a steel plate, and the MT3 keycaps on here. So because of how high profile this case is, I really need to be using high profile keycaps, or else I will touch the case while I'm hitting the spacebar. But these keycaps fit it really well. It looks good. I might actually ask him to cut a new top piece, make it a different color, black, and then fill in these small little gaps right here. So that's about it for that. I will have a typing test and a little tour of his website. So here's his website right here. It's pretty intuitive. It's really clean. If you go into the store, it will show you all the cases that you can pick from. So he has a decent amount of options. He also does make custom cases. So if you need something for a strange layout, or you just want something that looks different, he's able to make that for you. And he's able to use different colors as well. So he has acrylic color samples right here. He has 32 different options. I'm not going to go through all of them, but here's the pictures so you can get a good look. It's pretty cool. I saw one of his black and blue builds in person. It looks great. So yep, just check him out if you're interested in an acrylic case. Also, one thing that I did want to say about this board, I paid full price for the case. I did not receive this for free. He's just a really cool dude. The quality's good, and you know, he deserves business. He makes some pretty neat stuff. So here's the typing test. That's it for the typing test.